everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Clarizz. If you are new here, I always love to extend a big welcome to you because every single week I put up a video about DIYs, motherhood, and lifestyle in this channel. So make sure that you say hi also in the comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. And so the countdown begins for Anatalia's birthday party, and it's looking like, in our city at least, we're gonna be allowed to have a few people over at the house, but I have something in mind that I kind of want to do for our big family. So make sure you guys tune in and kind of see how we set that up for, you know, the circumstance that we're in. The party is gonna go on, and I have been DIYing a few things for Tally's birthday parties. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your own DIY piñata with everything from the Dollar Tree. I hope that you enjoyed this video and tutorial, and let's get started. So happy I was able to find everything at the Dollar Tree. So I found this cardboard display board there. But you know, if you guys have some like extra boxes from Amazon, because you know we have tons of those during this quarantine time, you guys can all use that as well. So for my geometric piñata, I'm going to be making it 10.5 inches in width. So you can make it bigger or smaller depending on what you want. I'm going to be taking a protractor. If you don't have one, you can print one like I did here. We're gonna make all the sides even, so we're gonna need an equilateral triangle, and all the angles are congruent to each other, which is 60 degrees. So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing. So just in case you're a little bit confused, take your protractor and go to point 1. You're gonna take your ruler and measure an angle of 60 degrees from that point where I basically have a hole on my protractor. Now do the other side, measure 60 degrees and connect the triangle together. Take an X-Acto knife and voila, you have a nice, even equilateral triangle. So we're gonna make 8 of these, so all you're gonna have to do is trace them on the cardboard and then cut them to size. I do suggest measuring your first one, making sure that all sides are equal so that you don't make a mistake. Alright, so the next step is taking all your triangles, flip it on the back side. Well, it doesn't really matter because they're not going to show anyways, but I flipped it on the brown side of the triangles, and then it should easily fold over into a pyramid like this, and then you can secure the corners once you have it all together. The best way to tape this is actually taking little pieces of tape just like this and doing it diagonally, because it just kind of secures it a little bit more. So basically do the other side, and then you have 2 beautiful pyramids, and now all you gotta do is tape this baby up. So you'll probably have questions about the tape that you can use for this project. I used painter's tape. It was really easy to handle, and I know that it's not too strong, but also strong enough to hold the whole piece together. So I suggest maybe not using duct tape or the really durable white packaging tape, because you are going to essentially want to break the piñata. So that's just my suggestion. Maybe use some masking tape if you have that too. Now we got to make a hole for all of our goodies and candy. So on the top of this piñata, we're going to make a triangle shape, or really whatever shape you guys want, but you can also seal that back together if you want to. I'm also making a couple holes on the sides so that we can put it up with this rope. And now the fun part, and man, I'm so happy that I found this at Dollar Tree. I thought that I was just gonna take some streamers and then cut it all, you know, individually. But I found this French poster border in the exact same material that I was totally aiming for. And you can find this at the school supply aisle. And it's amazing because it also has adhesive in the back. So just a tip, if you are going to be using this one, we are going to start from the very bottom of each triangle, because we do want to have that layering look, and it's going to look so pretty. So basically I'm just going halfway up the fringes, and then I'm just cutting all the sides down to kind of clean it up a little bit more. I forgot exactly how long this took me. Not too long, but you do have to be really patient because there are going to be, you know, some of that adhesive stuff sticking on your scissors. You're going to have to take it off, and by the time you're finished one, you're just going to be like, oh no, I have 7 more to go. But it's going to be good because it's going to look amazing. But don't forget, you can also always just spray paint your piñata. You can just paint it yourself, or just use any type of tissue paper you want and cover everything. There's so many different ways that you can decorate this. For some of the more difficult areas, you can just take a glue gun and basically just, you know, customize the size of the fringes that you're going to be putting on one corner, because there's no way that the adhesive is going to get on every single part of the piñata. So this was actually the part that took me a little bit longer because I'm such a perfectionist and I just need everything to look covered, perfect, and yeah. Lastly, we want to make this extra pretty and beautiful, so we're going to add some tassel garlands, some foil garlands that you can also find at the Dollar Tree. Glue it at the bottom and look how unique and beautiful this piñata looks. I'm so in love with these piñatas. I mean, Tally's only one, so I don't know if she's gonna be, actually hitting them. It's probably gonna be the adults, but I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you give this video a big like and comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.